What's going on? Mike here, got another video. YouTube, what's going on? Mike, back with another one. Man, it's been a minute, hasn't it? It's been a good minute. I'm still out here, still working. That's always gonna be what it's gonna be. I haven't been on Instagram, Mike Check Appliance, in a while. I just pretty much just wanted to take a break from Appliance Repair and just the questions and, just want to focus on the things I love to do. So if you follow me on my Mike Check Moto page, I'm uploading videos like crazy on that page. So pretty much that's what I do when I come home from work. But I just wanted to make this video to just shout out to all the new subscribers. Appreciate you for watching the old stuff. A lot of the questions you might have are somewhere in my catalog. Somewhere in there, somewhere, you guys are gonna see some answers to your questions. Somebody just asked me a question last week. I'm just checking on so sorry if I haven't answered any of your questions in the comments section. Just haven't been on this page. And he asked about how do I get jobs. So I've explained it in another video. The way I did it was with the warranty companies, but if you don't do it that way, you're just starting out, you're gonna have to pay for leads, some form or fashion. So, most of you guys who are in it, who've been in it now, because I want to say the wave started around 2019 when, the other appliance repair YouTubers were, pushing the classes. And so, it was an influx of everybody getting into appliance repair. So I think it kind of died down a little bit, but you see the people who pretty much stayed in it and the people who left it. Everybody's not gonna like this, man. You're gonna see, you're gonna see that for yourself if you ever get into it and want to do it. But it's a great way to live, and you're always gonna be wanted. So, man, my CODs have gone up so much within the past 3-4 months. Like I'm almost doing. Like today, I have like 4 CODs and like 1 or 2 warranty calls. So, which is a good thing. I still love my warranty work, though. Don't get me wrong. But it's good that I naturally, organically have people calling me because of the work I put in. Man, I put in a lot of work over the years to get my business where it needs to be. But it's still not where it needs to be. But it's in a good spot right now. It's in a good spot. But yeah, just wanted to let you guys know I'm still here. I'm still doing good. Van is running good. Business is doing good. No complaints, no complaints. Hopefully you guys are all doing good, to the people who consistently watch and comment and stuff like that. Shout out to y'all. Shout out to my guys, Boss Talk. It's a Voxer group. I'm pretty sure now you guys know about the Voxer. There's a lot of groups out there you can get with, to help you guys, like TMM or whatever. I don't know any other ones, but that's the only one I do know. So you guys might need to check that out if you guys need technical support. Sorry, the group I'm in, they're that's a closed group. You can't really get into there. But yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, I got a couple calls today that I got to go do. My first call is a Samsung dryer. When the door opens, or when the door closes, it starts running. So I'm pretty sure this is a common thing with Samsung. So if you've been in the business for a while, you ran into one before. So I just got to get the control board. That takes care of that issue. I'm headed to Marco now to pick it up, and we're going to start the day. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys a little update on what's going on. Why I haven't been making videos for this channel, and I haven't watched the last video I did. I might have said the same thing, but it is what it is. So I mean, but yeah, just appreciate you guys still rocking with me when you don't have to, So I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.